Hello, I'm William Trice with Crystal Instruments. If you are using C#, Python, MATLAB, or LabVIEW, you can quickly open the Crystal Instruments measurement data from any Crystal Instruments data acquisition products using the Crystal Instruments Data File Reader API. This is a standalone software that does not require the installation of the Crystal Instruments EDM software suite. After downloading and installing the Crystal Instruments Data File Reader, you can open up the documentation file folders for the Crystal Instruments Data File Reader. This file folder contains 6 folders. The bin folder, which contains the DLLs necessary to run your own code, applications, and programs utilizing the API. We also have a manual folder, which contains a manual and API reference documentation. The other 4 folders are example file folders with example code and programs for the API in Python, MATLAB, LabVIEW, and C#. For C#, we have the demo Crystal Instruments Data File Reader. Within the demo application, you can open up the data file that you wish to view and view the data. You can also export the data as a CSV file, copy it to your clipboard, or export it as a .text file. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. If you are interested in learning more about the Crystal Instruments Data File Reader API, you can visit our website or email us at info@go-ci.com and support@go-ci.com. Again, thank you.